what is JavaScript alert? So if you see here, we have three types of alert majorly. So we have this simple alert, which will have only one button, that is OK. It can be like accept as well as dismiss. Both the functions will be applicable here, but based on the implementation, the outcome might be different. And here you can see like we have a text called I am an alert box with a exclamatory symbol. So we can read that, but above that we have something like www.lambdatest.com, right? So basically that's the browser feature. We cannot read that text, but we can of course read this text if you want. Okay, and then we have the second type of alert, which is confirmation box. That means we will have two buttons. One is the OK and another one is the cancel. And then followed by we have this prompt where we can give some data, and based on the data it can give us the output. For example, let me give my name here, and if I accept, that means click OK, and you can see we have this, you have entered the name, right? So that's it, very easy. This is what JavaScript alert. Basically we have three types: simple, confirmation, and the prompt. Things to keep in mind: whenever there is an alert, we cannot do anything other than this. For example, if I go to my page and right click and try to bring the DOM, the inspect things, we cannot do that. So once we handle the alert, then only we can move. For example, if I go and click this book a demo, of course I cannot do that because your JavaScript alert is blocking your entire thread. So we have to handle this, then we can do any other action. So it is very important to handle the alerts.